Looking for the best bed cover for your GMC Sierra 1500? You're in the right place. A good bed cover keeps your cargo protected. It also gives your truck a cleaner look. But there are tons of options out there. So, which one is worth buying? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best GMC Sierra 1500 bed covers. We'll look at their design, fit, durability, and key features. Let's get started with number 5. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the Rough Country Hard Trifold Bed Cover. This cover is made for 2019 to 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 models with a 5-foot 10-inch bed. It uses tough aluminum panels and a low-profile design. The matte black finish gives your truck a clean, factory-style look. The trifold design also gives you almost full bed access. You can haul larger gear without removing the cover. Installation is simple too. It uses a clamp-on, no drill setup. The included straps keep it secure when driving with the cover open. Premium seals and an integrated drain system help keep your cargo protected from rain. Squeeze latches also make opening the cover quick and easy. Overall, it is a solid pick for everyday hauling and weather protection. That makes it a strong way to start our top 5. But there's more to come. Let's move up to number 4 and see what takes the next spot on our list. At number 4, we have the Onin Retractable Hard Bed Cover. This one steps things up with a retractable design. It is made for 2019 to 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 models with the 5.8-foot fleet-side bed. The cover uses durable aluminum slats with a matte black powder coat. It also offers IP56 rated water and dust protection, so your cargo gets strong coverage in changing weather. The full-width handle makes opening and closing quick. There is also a rear pull strap for easier access. Another big upgrade is the built-in T-slot rail system. It lets you add compatible rack accessories for work gear or outdoor equipment. Installation is clamp-on and usually requires no drilling. An integrated locking system also helps keep the cover secure when closed. Compared with our number 5 pick, this cover adds more versatility and a more convenient retractable design. That makes it a strong step up from the Rough Country cover. Now, let's see which bed cover takes the number 3 spot. Moving up to number 3 is the WHALEMOTor Hard Folding Bed Cover. It is custom made for 2007 to 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 models with the 5.8-foot bed. It also works with the MultiPro tailgate, but not the Carbon Pro bed. The cover uses tough fiberglass for added strength and durability. It is built to handle harsh weather and resist dents. Even hail is less likely to leave damage. Installation is also simple. The clamp-on, no-drill design makes setup quick. You can also remove it without complicated tools. Security is another strong point. Reinforced hinges, strong latches, and locking mechanisms help keep the cover firmly closed. Its sleek design also improves aerodynamics. That can help with fuel efficiency compared with some soft covers. Owners also praise its easy installation, tight fit, clean look, and lack of leaks. Compared with the ONINE at number 4, this cover brings a tougher fiberglass construction and broader model compatibility. That combination makes it a strong upgrade for buyers who want durability and security. Now let's move on to number 2 and see what makes it even better. Now we're down to number 2, and it's the Calffree Hard Trifold Bed Cover. This cover fits 2007 to 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 models with a 5.8-foot bed. It combines FRP and aluminum panels with an internal honeycomb structure. That gives it a strong and sturdy build. It can support up to 400 pounds when properly distributed. The cover is also built for tough weather. It resists water, tearing, and high temperatures, so your cargo stays better protected from rain, snow, dust, and other harsh conditions. Installation is quick too. The no-drill design needs no special tools and can be installed in minutes. When you need more bed access, simply fold it back. The aerodynamic design can also help reduce wind drag and improve fuel efficiency. Owners praise its easy installation, secure fit, heavy-duty feel, and strong value for the price. Compared with the WHALEMOTor at number 3, the Calffree adds a reinforced honeycomb structure and a higher stated load capacity. That makes it an even stronger choice for buyers who want durability, cargo security, and value. We're almost at the top. Let's see which bed cover earns our number 1 spot. And now, here comes our number 1 pick, the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Bed Cover. It is made for 2019 to 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 models with a 5-foot 10-inch bed. This cover uses heavy-duty 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl. It is supported by aircraft-grade aluminum frames and stainless steel clamps. The dual-coated vinyl is built for durability and everyday weather protection. One of its best features is the pre-assembled crossbars. They provide support and fold up with the cover. That gives you full bed access when needed. Installation is also simple. There is no drilling for most setups, and the included hardware makes installation straightforward. Some trucks with an over-the-bedrail bedliner may need small holes cut for the clamps. Owners praise its fit, easy installation, clean look, and value. Many also say it continues to hold up well over time. Compared with the Calffree at number 2, the Tyger Auto T3 offers a proven soft trifold design with marine-grade vinyl, sturdy aluminum framing, and a 5-year warranty for US customers. It also comes at a very reasonable price. That balance of quality, easy installation, durability, and value is why it earns our number 1 spot. If you want a practical bed cover without spending a fortune, This one is definitely worth considering, and that wraps up our top 5 GMC Sierra 1500 bed covers. Each one offers something different. From hard folding designs to easy-to-use soft covers, there is an option for different needs and budgets. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more truck gear reviews and buying guides. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and product details. And let us know in the comments which bed cover you would choose for your Sierra 1500. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.